AJ. So AJ also moves like GJ, and then look at like. So this as well on the H4 here, we have a bullish trend on the H4. This has been bullish for quite some time, so let's keep it really simple. We have something like this going on the H4, but when you break it down to the H1, it makes even more sense. So on the H1, what do we have? We have this. So what price has done in this case, price has created a new high, and on this new high, we have this level being respected. This also is giving us a possible double top confirmation. This is giving us a possible double top confirmation. And remember, I told you this is a bullish trend. So the move we are looking forward to is a potential short-term short. So in this case, we have something like this in this market. First TP is right here. Second TP is this low here. So on this bullish trend, first TP here, second TP down here. So the entry level remains this level, this high. This high remains the entry level, and let's look at the profit potential in this move. And then we have about 80 pips to TP1, and TP2 here we have about 120 pips. This is a very simple move, and it looks good as well, so you may keep your eyes on that move as well. Remember, on the H4, this remains a bullish trend, and the bullish trend in this case, we are looking at our second TP right here. So the second TP in this case, this level here, this case here, is the second TP on the H1 chart. So when price tests your first TP, you should know what to do. You should be able to manage your trades and then be risk-free from that move. So we have a very simple entry level on the H1, so you need to keep your eyes on that move. If you have your entry confirmation, if your rules of engagement are met, you know exactly what to expect in this. We have a lot of rejections creeping in, so if you see everything you want to see in this market, you are good to go. So very clean double top. If it plays out, 80 pips and then 120 pips. Very good way to end the week. So ultimately, how you take your entry matters. If you do not get a good entry, you may just have to lower your lot size or probably skip the trade and wait for the next one. Okay, I've just gone through all of these markets. So keep your eyes on AJ, keep your eyes on USD CAD. These are the two moves which probably looks really great, are good places for entries right now. So UC looks very good at a good place for an entry. Likewise, AJ looks really good at a good place for an entry. I believe the rest of the market, you may need to be a little patient. EU is about to retest the level I just talked about. It's all about patience, so let's wait. When this test is very high, you know what to expect from that very high. So the key levels in the market are one of the important things you need to pay a lot of attention to. When price is on the key levels, you should know what it means, right? Marking up your charts is not just everything. You should be able to interpret your markups to very good trading decisions. That is the whole point of learning how to trade. So markups does not produce magic. It is your understanding of the market moves based on what you've marked out that helps you to determine good decisions, to make good decisions in the market. So EU, we need to wait. UC is really setting up nicely. I'm very interested in seeing what is going to happen from this low. So I have my eyes on that very market. UJ is yet to give me something solid. It's about to retest the key level I just talked about. There's a lot of momentum right now on US dollar, so we can see some push going on. UC as well is just dropping through the first TP, this low. So let's wait. A lot of push on the US dollar right now. So let's see what's gonna happen. So GJ also, if you have a good entry, definitely you are good to go on GJ. because GJ is a little volatile, so you may need to wait for a good price to get involved in this kind of markets. However, it looks good. Everything I've just explained on GJ remains solid, right? So the last one, which is AJ, is also setting up, and let's see how it goes. So that's the tech service, the private service going on from next week is going to be covering a lot of these kind of sessions. Also, we'll be having a private Telegram where we can also keep up with whatever price is doing at every point in time. Likewise, I'll be giving support, one-on-one support, and trading help to whoever needs it. So there'll be trading analysis, there'll be setups and opportunities at every point in time. And also there'll be some education as well. Everything I've just done here is really a lot of education for those who have the open mind to grab them, right? So this will be going live. We are taking entries for now, and I believe by next week, markets open, we should be good to go live on this. So for those who may be interested in this kind of service, you can just hit me up on Telegram at BB Forex, and then we can set you up with this service. So that'll be all for now, and we'll be back again another time. Peace.